here I have DOOGEE V20, and today I'm going to show you how to use night vision on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, and here we have to switch to the night vision mode. So to prove you that it really works as night vision, I'm gonna turn off the light, and wow, and as you can see, the phone works in night vision. So I have lights out here, but you can see through the screen like in night vision, but it reloads, as you can see. So yeah, very useful and interesting mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.